Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Collecting a judgment from small claims court is often harder than winning the case itself. You've won, but now you need to actually get the money the court says you are owed. The court will not collect the money for you. That responsibility falls entirely on you, the judgment creditor. The first crucial step is to understand that a judgment is just a piece of paper, a legal declaration, not actual cash in your hand. Your next big task is finding the debtor's assets. This means figuring out where the person or business that owes you money, called the judgment debtor, keeps their money or what property they own. Do they have a job? If so, where do they work? Do they have bank accounts? What kind of car do they drive? Do they own real estate? You can use a debtor's exam, also known as an order for appearance and examination, which is a court order requiring the debtor to appear in court and answer questions under oath about their assets and income. This is a very powerful tool. Once you have an idea of their assets, you can move on to collection methods. One common method is wage garnishment. This allows you to take a portion of the debtor's wages directly from their employer. You will need a court order, called a writ of execution, which you then give to the sheriff or marshal. They will serve it on the debtor's employer, who will then withhold a percentage of the debtor's pay and send it to you. Another effective method is a bank levy. With a bank levy, you can freeze funds in the debtor's bank account and have them turned over to you. Again, you'll need a writ of execution and knowledge of which bank the debtor uses. You deliver the writ to the sheriff, who serves it on the bank. Any money in the account, up to the judgment amount, can be seized. Be aware that the debtor might have exemptions, meaning certain funds cannot be taken. You can also place a lien on real estate or personal property. An abstract of judgment can be recorded in the county where the debtor owns property, creating a lien on their real estate. This means they cannot sell or refinance the property without paying you first. For personal property like cars or boats, you might be able to get a levy through the sheriff, potentially forcing a sale to satisfy the judgment. Remember that judgments do not last forever. They typically have a lifespan, often 10 years, but can usually be renewed before they expire. Keep track of your judgment's expiration date. Any costs you incur while trying to collect, such as filing fees or sheriff's fees, can usually be added to the judgment amount, increasing what the debtor owes you. Collecting a judgment requires patience and persistence. It can be a long process, and it might not always be easy, but knowing your options and staying proactive greatly increases your chances of success. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more practical legal guidance. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in our next video.